Welcome back. This week we are talking about NFTs or non-fungible tokens and physical products. If you are just joining and you want to know more about NFTs, do check out my two previous videos. So we've seen NFTs working for selling and trading digital art, but do they work for physical products as well? The short answer is sometimes. It depends on the type of product. For example, NFTs for original art, books, and luxury items can have a physical component to them. This works by including a specification in the smart contract or NFT metadata that there is a physical component to the transaction. Right now, this is being done with a coupon code. Basically, once you buy the NFT, somewhere in there is a code for you to go and redeem a physical product from a website or service provider that is then mailed to you. There is currently an example of this NFT digital physical hybrid on a platform called OpenSea. With this product, you get a digital painting, but then you also get a coupon to redeem an actual canvas print that the artist has signed and will ship to your house. Now, what is important to point out here is that although you can do this today, there is no system in place to verify that that smart contract is being followed. So there isn't something in place to verify that once you purchase the item, that the seller actually ships it to you. Now, this technology does exist today. If you've ever used Poshmark, which is a clothing reseller app where you can sell clothes, shoes, accessories, handbags, all sorts of things. Poshmark handles the transaction, so when someone purchases something from your closet, they process the payment. But as the seller, you don't actually get paid until you take their prepaid shipping label, you package up the item, and drop it off at the post office. When it gets the arrival scan of actually being delivered at the person's house, then the funds are deposited into your account. So this isn't exactly a smart contract, but it is similar to how one would work with a physical product component of an NFT. There is one company working on this right now called Finite Ltd or Finite Limited. They are in beta as of the time of publishing this video, so we'll have to kind of wait and see where that platform goes. Now let's move on to the physical products that are not good candidates to be turned into NFTs. And I'm sure there are many products that fit into this category, but I'd say the biggest one are consumables. I had someone ask if they could run their small batch olive oil company on NFTs. And for a consumable like olive oil, it doesn't really make sense. You could sell a digital version of the olive oil and then, ship an actual bottle to someone. But having documented ownership on the blockchain doesn't actually increase the value of olive oil. And if you were to try to resell your digital rendering of this olive oil to someone, you are required per the smart contract to also ship them a bottle, which isn't that valuable if it's empty. So it doesn't really work for consumables and things that don't increase in value over time. Okay, I think that's gonna be all for this video. I hope that this was helpful. If you're gonna spend any time educating yourself on this, look into smart contracts and how they work on the blockchain. It'll help all of this make a lot more sense. And as always, if you have any questions, please comment them down below and we will be back next week in another video. We'll see you then. Bye.